Now these look good, but the lightning bolt definitely doesn't look like a circle, and the magic wand looks like it's pushing it a little bit. It's a little bit oblong. So the approach that we're using here, where we're adding padding around the central element, is flawed. If all of the characters were square, it should work fine, but it's clear now that we can't rely on that. So what other approaches can we take? Well, we could set a fixed width so that the width stayed the same and then remove the side padding. Let's play with that. I'm going to inspect this element and let's change the padding here to 30 pixels on the top. We'll do 0 on the right hand side, 30 pixels on the bottom, and then 0. Okay, so we have our top and bottom padding. So the height is going to be 40 pixels, and if we want it to be a total square, we want the width to be 40 pixels as well. So let's say the width is going to be 40 pixels plus 30 plus 30. So that'll be 100 pixels. All right, so that gives us a circle, but now our icons are offset a bit. Let's see if we can fix that with a text align to the center. Ah, that looks pretty good.